Reports. There are two types of reports presented in two tabs, Student Report and Vocabulary Report. You have options to show reports for training tasks or exam tasks. In each mode, the report shows the scores, points, and time spent. Points are for play activities only, as the reward mechanism for gamification, not for assessment. Student reports contain the assignment results for each student, sorted by date, grouped by classes. There are two levels of detailed information available from student reports. If you click on any cell of the report chart, the report on each activity in the assignment will appear in a pop-up window. If you click on the activity line inside the pop-up window, students' correct or incorrect answers about each word will appear on a second-level pop-up. Vocabulary reports contain student records on every word in the assignments. The result can be grouped by WVI level, academic vocabulary in the Wordsmith Vocabulary Inventory. There is one level of detailed information available in the vocabulary report. If you click on a cell in the vocabulary report chart, you can view the detailed record of each word that was answered correctly or incorrectly in specific activities. From the student list, you can directly access each student's report. From the lesson list, you can directly access each lesson report. From the class list, you can directly access lesson reports of the selected class. Filters can be applied to the reports. The records can be filtered by school, class, student, and date. The same filtering mechanism is also available for student lists, lesson list, and assignment lists.